Hey guys, it's Steve at Precision Graphics, and this is how it all started. From a young age, I started using my creativity to make custom designs, and I really wanted to make them into stickers. A perfectionist at heart, I had trouble finding someone to do the work as I wanted it to be done. One year for Christmas, my mom surprised me with an introductory 12-inch roll-in vinyl plotter. It was set up in my home bedroom, and that was the beginning of Steve Banaka Custom Print and Design. Early in 2009, I turned my hobby into a career and started working at a local sign company after school. When graduation time came, I moved to another sign company and spent 6 years as a production manager throughout college. I knew that I wanted my own business, so in August 2015, I ventured off on my own and started Precision Graphics in a roughly 1,500 square foot building. Now here we are in our third building, continuing to grow the business 10 years later.